Welcome. Today we will learn some basic publications in Microsoft Office Publisher 2007. You can see the popular publication types: blank page sizes, brochures, business cards, and so on. Let us start with blank page sizes. Suppose you want to create a business card. Select a blank page size for your business card. To select a particular business card size, double-click on it. You can see the blank page size for your business card. To create a business card, select Business Cards. Now select a design for your business card. Double-click on it. You can see the business card layout. Fill the details on your business card. To customize your business card, select Page Options, Color Schemes, Font Schemes, Business Card Options. To change the page size of your business card, click on Change Page Size. To move an object on your business card, select the object and drag it to the required position. Select the object, right-click on it, click on Format Object. Select Layout. You can change the position, wrapping style, wrap text, and distance from text. After this, click on OK. To save your publication, go to File, click on Save, and then you can exit Microsoft Publisher by clicking on Exit or Alt F4. You have learned basic publication types and object positioning in a publication. Thank you.